In the history department here at the New York State Museum, this is one of our oldest objects. Hi, I'm Karen Quinn, Senior Historian and Curator of Art and Culture here at the New York State Museum. Today we're going to take a look at the oldest object in the history collection. It's a trunk that dates from probably around 1665 when it arrived in this country from the Netherlands, brought here by the Prine family. It's called an Armada chest because it's very heavy, it's made of iron, but Armada is a misnomer. It was kind of a nickname given in the Victorian age for chests of this nature. Most of them were made probably in Germany around Nuremberg. This one also is beautifully decorated with painted scenes of some boats and some flowers. This has a most extraordinary locking system. If you take a look inside, you can see all the interlocking that goes into this. The box was used for essentially your valuables. It's the precursor to your safe in your house. The locking system also has a little bit of a twist. This is its key, not a small thing. This is not what opens the box. This is a decoy. Instead, the key gets inserted over here in the top, and you can come around and see that there is a little lifted piece of iron circle, and that iron circle actually moves over, and you can fit the key in. That's where the key goes. So that's how you would unlock this particular Armada chest.